video, we're going to implement sorting numbers using bubble sorting algorithm. We're going to implement this using a C file. So let me explain what is bubble sorting method. So in the bubble sorting method, let me take some five numbers. So 5, 1, 4, 2, 8 is numbers in an array. They are entered in the random order. So in the bubble sort method, first number is compared with the second number. Suppose first number is greater, then swapping must be done between those two. Say first number is 5, second number is 1, 5 is greater than 1. So you have to exchange, you have to bring 1 here, 5 in this place, so that in the ascending order, smallest number should be at the left here actually. Okay, always smallest number should be left side, higher number should be at the right side. So here swapping should be done. After swapping, now we have 1 and 5. So next we have to compare next two numbers. So 5 and 4. So first number is 5 here, now second number is 4 here. Again, first number is greater than second number. So again, swapping you have to do. So next, in the after swapping, 4 comes here, 5 comes here. Next, 4 and 5 again. Next, you have to compare 5 and 2. Again, first number is greater. So swapping you have to do. So after swapping, 2 came here, 5 came here. Next, you have to compare 5 and 8. First number is not greater now. Second number is greater. So first number is smaller. So no need to swap. So you have to return 5 in the same position, 8 in this position. After the completion of first comparison, so if 5 elements are there, you have to do 4 comparisons. So after this 4 comparison, the highest number comes at the right side. Remaining these 4 are not in ascending order. So you have to go to the second pass. So this for passing first pass and second pass and third pass in the C program you have to use nested for loop. So again compare first number to second number. First number is smaller, no need to swap. Again compare in the next 4 is compared with the 2. First number is greater than 2, so swapping should be done. After swapping, this is the order. Next 4 and 5 is compared. First number is smaller, so no swapping. Next 5 and 8 compared, no swap. Okay, after the completion of second pass, second highest number will be at this position. Similarly, once again, uh, sometimes these three are also may not in the ascending order. So in the third, again in the third pass, first two numbers are compared. So first number is smaller, so no swapping. So here also no swapping, here also no swapping. If any first number is greater, you have to do the swap otherwise. After the third pass, third highest number comes into the third place. And next in the fourth pass, okay, fourth highest number will come in the second place and least number will be in the left side. So finally output will be in the ascending order. So let us implement this using a C file. I already have typed program. So I'm going to open Turbo C 3.2. You can also implement using Visual C code. So I already typed the program. I'll open the file, open. This is the program number 7. Okay, I opened the program number 7. So you can write a comment in the first line. Slash, double slash also you can use. So I use slash and star program to implement bubble sort algorithm. Hash include stdio.h, hash include stdlib.h, int main, open bracket and within a bracket void. You open the bracket, int num I comma j comma array of 10 and array of size 10 and temp all are declared as int. So next enter the number of elements. You have to print a statement. So printf open bracket double quoted. So slash n for new line. In the new line it will enter the number of elements, again new line. So scanf percentage d. If you don't enter slash n, whatever you enter in the keyboard that will come next to the elements only. So if you want to come in the next line, here we use slash n. So percentage d, scanf percentage d. you're going to enter some number that will be stored in the num. Now we have to enter all the 5 data. So printf enter the elements of the array. I is equal to 0, I less than num. How many? Suppose here if I give num as 5, this in the keyboard if I press 5, 5 will be stored in the num variable. So it will starting from 0, I less than num, it will continuously scan those elements. So I less than I is equal to 0, I less than num, I plus plus scan f percentage d, and whatever we enter that will be stored in the array. First element will be array of 0. So I is equal to 0. So first element will be stored in array of 0. Next I plus plus will take place. 0 becomes 1 and 1 is less than num. Again it will scan. It will stored in array of 1. Next I plus plus array of 2, like that it will continuously store. If I enter num is equal to 5, it will enter up to num is equal to 4. Once num becomes 5, that condition fails. I less than num is fails. Okay. So 0 to 4 times, including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, total 5 data will be in. So after that comparison we have to do. For I is equal to 0, I less than num, I plus plus. For j is equal to 0, j less than num minus I minus 1. So number of comparison should be less than number of elements. So num minus I minus 1, j plus plus. If array of j greater than array of j plus 1. So j is 0, array of j is the 0th element greater than 1 first element. If first number is greater than second element, if it is true, if this condition is true, inside this if condition, if it is true, you have to do the swapping. While swapping, we are using temporary variable. First, we loaded a j array of j in the temp is loaded with array of j. Then array of j is loaded with array of j plus 1. Again, array of j plus 1 is once again loaded with temp value, which is nothing but array of j. So the swapping of array of j and array of j plus 1 will takes place, and close bracket. So this is first pass. After that, j plus plus will take place. So this will completely do first pass, second pass, third pass, and fourth pass. Okay, that depends how many value of n you are used. Okay, so next you have to print the sorted array is for I is equal to 0, I less than num, I plus plus. So there we did scanf. Here you have to do opposite, printf percentage d and percentage t, t for tab space, and you have to print array of I element. So starting value is 0. So first it will print array of 0, which is smallest number, and next to smallest number, next to biggest number. So right side, rightmost it will be highest number. So the output will be the array is arranged in the ascending order. So printf slash n. So same program you can convert into descending order. Just change greater than into smaller. Greater than instead of greater than you have to use less than. So compile the program. Then from the program, enter number of elements. I will enter 6. So first number is 65, 98. Randomly you can type some data. So 6 numbers are over. Press enter. Now to check the output, control W, output O. So the sorted array you can see 0, next 23, next 56, 78, 98, and 34. So same program you can convert it into descending order. So for that I'll show here only. I'll stop this program. Control W, close this symbol. Change this one by less than symbol. Now same program is converted into arrange the data in descending order. So I'll compile this program. First I'll save the file, Alt F, save, then Alt C, compile, no error. Next, press any Alt R, run. I'll enter 6 data once again. I'll enter the same data. Okay, 56, 98, 23, 09, 234, 78. So this will print the answer in descending order. I can say first it printed array in ascending order 9, 23, 56, 78, 98, 234. Now, once I change the greater symbol into less than symbol, the output is now converted into descending order. The first number is 234, next is 298, next 78, 56, 23, and 9. So if you change the greater than to less than number, after the first pass, the rightmost element is the smallest number. Next is the second after the second pass, second list number after the third pass, third list number after the fourth pass, fourth list number, fifth list number, and list number. Okay. So this is descending order. This is the ascending order. Thank you.